We learned to fight against the MiGs, how to exploit its weaknesses and avoid its strengths. But we still had a problem. These programs were so secret, we couldn't openly pass the vital info and new tactics to our frontline pilots. The inability of the Navy to disseminate the results of this highly classified project to our pilots was part of our weakness to create the United States Navy fighter weapons story, what we all know as Tom J.
Ladies and gentlemen, Randy Ball and the MiG-17F. Randy currently performs jet aerobatics in more air shows in North America than any other civilian jet pilot. In 2023, it marks Randy's 33rd year of featured as an air show performer. He's flown over 43 different types of aircraft, manufactured in 9 different countries with over 20,000 hours in the air. North America's premier jet demonstration pilot is Randy W. Ball. The MiG-17 is a high subsonic fighter produced by the Soviet Union. Its first flight was in January of 1950, but did not enter service until October of 1952. The MiG-17 was an advanced production of the MiG-15. The MiG-17 looks very similar to the MiG-15. It had a new, thinner, and more highly swept wing and tailplane for speeds approaching Mach 1. 10,649 MiGs were produced, including Polish, Czech, and Chinese variants. While the MiG-17 was designed to shoot down slower American bombers, it showed surprising success when used by the North Vietnamese pilots to combat American fighters and fighter bombers during the Vietnam War.
Men readies in the half Cuban.
Watch now. Until the F-16 entered service, the MiG-17 was the tightest turning fighter in the world, and Randy's about to demonstrate that in the MiG-17. Watch as he comes in for the right for the minimum radius turn. Randy Ball in the MiG-17. Turn and attain a max speed of 715 miles an hour. It can climb better than 14,000 feet per minute. When production started in the 1950s, its VK-1F engine made it one of the first production jet fighters in the world with an afterburner. The MiG-17 was the primary interceptor for the VPAF in 1965, responsible for their first aerial victories and seeing extensive service during the Vietnam War. When production started in the early 1950s, its VK-1F engine made it one of the first production jet fighters in the world with an afterburner. Due to the pulsating of the afterburner, during the Vietnam War, the aircraft was given the nickname Puff the Magic Dragon. From the right, Randy Ball. The MiG-17 has been flown by over 20 countries, and some are still flying this aircraft. Again, the aircraft engine produces 7,452,000 pounds of thrust. The MiG-17 has a wingspan of over 31 feet, a max speed of 715 miles an hour, just tipping the scales in the Mach meter. Get your cameras ready as Randy approaches from the left this time. The MiG-17 can carry bombs, rockets, or extra fuel tanks under the wings. It In the lower nose, it carried some of the largest guns ever used in air-to-air combat. Get your cameras ready. From the left, Randy Ball in the high-speed pass. Randy Ball's MiG-17F spent almost 4 years in restoration and is one of only a handful of vintage jets flying in North American Airshow circuit. It has an authentic paint job and is the only MiG available for ground display with fully restored guns.
Okay, so I call the speeds for you on this, so you can across the high-speed pass.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, setting up for the high-speed pass, Mr. Randy Ball. Let's go into the cockpit and let's find out just how fast he's going. Randy, do you hear us?
Not
570. 0.88.
Ladies and gentlemen, what did you think about the high-speed pass, Mr. Randy Ball? And again, you see that incredible climb rate of the MiG-17, capable of climbing to 30,000 feet in only 3 minutes.